Alright, hello everyone. I just want to make a quick video here about the new beta version of the Scalp tool. Okay, so I don't have anything on the chart right now as far as the Scalp tool goes. We just have this. Well, let's let's make it some chart that we would probably use. We'll go to an NQ Z contract and let's do a 47 range. Okay. Now, all you have to do, if you don't have it on your chart at all right now, once I've enabled it for you, you go to indicators and it's going to be in your invite only. It'll be in your invite only section. Okay, so go to indicators and then just click the Scalp tool beta. You don't need to do anything else, just put that on. You go in here and delete the drawings that are on here. You just put that on. Now by default it's just this line. If you were to have put the first beta version on, then that looks a little different. Right, that one looks like this. It's still in there. I left it in there for you. Okay. But this is the current version of the beta. And what this does, it actually goes in the direction that you want it to go. Right, that you want to trade. So you get an up close. When it's time to take the scalp, this will be going down on an up close. That's when you sell the open of the next bar. Alright, if it's going up on a down close like this one right here, you buy the open of the next bar. Now, I had requests for different ways to display this, so I did everything that you guys asked. Under inputs, if you click vertical lines, put a vertical line on the chart, a red one where you should sell the open of the next bar, a green one where you should buy the open of the next bar, green buy the open of the next bar, red sell the open, green buy, red sell, green buy, red sell, green buy, red sell, sorry. But you get the picture. Now I also, if you go here, it's under inputs. You can get those off and put arrows on, same thing. Okay, you can do both if you want. And for one guy, I also did bar color. So you just turn on the bar color too. Alright, red means sell the open of the next bar, green means buy the open of the next bar. Alright, and that's it. That's it. You don't have to change anything else in here. You just put it on. You can display it however you want. Okay, that's all there is. Now, the one thing that I did want to show you, these things, these lines and these indications only apply to the Scalp tool, right? The TVT Scalp. They don't apply to this. This is what I distributed last week at the beginning when I first distributed the beta. We were selling the fade like this. You would sell the fade here. You would sell when it fades going into the overbought or oversold. You would sell the open of the next bar, and if it fades going into the oversold right here, you would buy the open of the next bar. That was last week's. Now I've improved upon that, and now this week you have the actual TVT Scalp within here. Turn that on, turn that off, and this actually goes in the right direction. Okay, that's it. That's the video that I wanted to make for you guys. If you have any questions, you can email support@targetviewtrades.com. Alright, most of you guys that are subscribers, you have my email. You have my phone number. You can text me at my number. Take the free trial at tvtrades.com. tvtrades.com, like this. Just take the free trial there. If you haven't taken the trial yet, go take it. It's a really, really simple tool. That's it. Thanks.